Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use TradingView with Quotex. We'll explore how to harness TradingView's powerful charting tools for in-depth market analysis. This approach helps you identify precise entry and exit points for your trades. You will learn a practical workflow to apply your analytical insights directly to the Quotex platform, enhancing your trading strategy. This method focuses on informed decision-making for better trading outcomes. First, let's set up your TradingView for optimal analysis. Begin by opening your TradingView account and choosing the specific asset you wish to trade, such as a currency pair or commodity. Next, apply your preferred technical indicators. For example, you might use a 20-period exponential moving average or a 14-period relative strength index. Customize your chart's appearance, perhaps using a candlestick chart with a 1-minute time frame, to ensure clear visualization of market movements. With your TradingView chart ready, focus on identifying strong trade opportunities. Observe the price action and how it interacts with your chosen indicators. For instance, look for a crossover of two moving averages or a specific pattern like a head and shoulders. Seek confluence, where several indicators align to confirm a signal, increasing your trade's probability. Clearly define your entry point, perhaps at a support level, and your potential exit, such as a resistance zone, before moving to Quotex. Finally, it's time to execute your trade on Quotex. Log into your Quotex account and ensure you have selected the exact same financial asset you analyzed on TradingView. Carefully enter your desired investment amount. For example, you might choose to invest $25 per trade. Based on your thorough TradingView analysis, decide whether to place a call option for an upward movement or a put option for a downward movement. Then confirm your trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.